Hey, how's everybody doing? I'm Ryan Mullins, the CEO and the co-founder of a new startup called Aglet. It's a nice day out today. I'm over here in Germany. I hope all of you will be joining us for the Digital Fashion Online Summit. Lots of cool stuff planned. I'm going to be doing a fireside chat, and I'm very excited to do that because I'm going to be talking about building an ONLIFE world. We don't live online anymore. We don't live offline anymore. We just live on life. We live in this convergence of the online and the offline worlds, and that has massive impacts for how we consume, how we create, how we communicate, and how we'll build new businesses in the future. So what I've built at Aglet, along with my team, is a new kind of gameful, location-based commerce platform using virtual goods, but also your movement in physical reality so that you can earn a currency in our game and then be able to shop. So brands, new brands, and new creators can leverage our tools to find new ways to connect to consumers. So I hope you guys join us as we discuss ways that digital technologies and virtual technologies will be changing the way that we create, the way that we consume, the way that we build businesses, and the way that we communicate with each other. So peace, guys. Can't wait to see you there.